Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to get the most perfect brows using only this product right here. So I have nothing on my brows right now. They're absolutely bare. I just put on some minimal makeup, so then the main focus of this video could be my brows, and so I can show you how I tint my brows at home and how I do them after with makeup. If you want to find out, then keep on watching. So I'm going to talk about this product right here. This is the Just for Men. What's it called? The Mustache and Beard Just for Men. Basically, men use it to color in their hair once they have gray hair on their facial hair, so such as beards, mustaches, and I guess their eyebrows as well. Items you'll be needing for this whole process is definitely the box of the dye, eyebrow brush so you can give a better application, a more precise application, and lotion, Vaseline, anything that you can use as a border around your eyebrows. What many people like to use is an oil-based paint. However, I do not have that with me right now. So I'm gonna get all my stuff prepared and I'm gonna bring you guys a little bit closer so you guys can see exactly how I do this. The first thing you want to do is wipe off the area you're going to be working with. So I just have a wet paper towel since I'm not wearing much makeup, but if you're wearing a lot more, then you can just use a makeup wipe. There we go. And then I'm going to be using this spoolie brush just to brush up my eyebrows to get it prepared. And then I'm going to be taking the little container of which we're going to be mixing our dye with. And it doesn't really matter in what order you do this, but there are 2 bottles. And I'm going to be taking a pea-sized amount, or the amount that you think you're going to need, onto each side of the tray. So starting off with the color base, I'm just going to pour a little bit of the like that on that side, and then I'm going to be taking the color developer. I'm going to be putting that on the other side. I had to actually stop myself before I mixed that because I forgot to put on the little barrier. Taking a little Q-tip and some organic coconut oil. I'm going to be using this to outline my eyebrows so I can get it in the right shape and not open this coconut oil. My boyfriend would be laughing right now because he's the one who gave me this and he's the one who opened it the first time. Okay, so I actually decided to use lotion instead, and all I did was just outline my eyebrow with lotion. Alright, now going back to the actual dyes, I'm just going to be taking both and just mixing them together. I'm just mixing them, taking that with my eyeliner brush. So I like to start a little thin first, and then I like to layer it just in case I mess up. Starting on the outer portion of my eyebrows. Fairly light on the inner part. If you messed up, you can just grab your Q-tip. The front part of the eyebrow, you don't want that to look like a square, like very blocky, so I just like to take off the eyebrow dye there first and just let the rest develop. Leave it on for 5 minutes, so I'm going to be putting a timer for 5 minutes and starting now. Alright, after 5 minutes, you can just take your wet paper towel and just wipe off your eyebrow. It's gonna be left. The longer you leave it on, the darker the eyebrow tint will be. Now on to the next eyebrow. Once you are done with the whole process, this is how your eyebrows should look. A little more full, a little more defined, and it is all eyebrow dye. They're not going to be as perfect, but it does make it a lot easier when you are filling your eyebrows in with makeup. So if you guys want to know how I do my eyebrows with my whole eyebrow routine, then stay tuned. Okay, so for my eyebrow routine, the first thing I do is I line my brows with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in dark brown. I'm just going to be dipping that into my dip brow. To the front, and whatever is left, I just brush up. I use my spoolie to distribute the product along the eyebrow. And then I brush down so I can define the top part of my eyebrow. My eyebrows are a little strange, so I like to frown so I can get the shape that I want, and so it's a lot easier for me to do. And then I line the top part of my eyebrows. To finally clean up my eyebrow, I just use concealer, and then I'm going to be starting off with the bottom part of my eyebrows, and I'm just gonna flat side to just define it first, and I'm going to be starting from the front. Same thing. So I'm just going to be lining them underneath. Bringing down the concealer, and then the same thing at the top. So I'm going to be starting from the outer portion, down, and all the way back up. To finish off my eyebrows, I just add some eyebrow gel. I'm going to be using the Maybelline New York Brow Drama Sculpting Brow Mascara, and this is just in the color clear. Alright, so that would be it for this whole video. I'll see you all next time. Bye.